All right, guys, it's the Ghost FPV with my brother Tony.
Yup, drama's in the building. Smoke Signals Entertainment, so creative, you know we are. I'm here with the ghost. He's gonna show me everything about droning today. I don't know much,
All
but
right,
you know what I mean? I get in with the filming stuff, but this guy's gonna show me some speed and all around this park. Have a good day, guys.
all right, Ghost.
Um, but you'll see the VTX on this is pretty good. I think it'll do well even for long range. I've made sure there's no interference. I've actually routed the GPS wiring. I don't know if you can see right here on the side here, on the outside. There was too much interference on the inside, and I put the VTX. I mounted the VTX right here on the arm, and that gets me good reception. I've had issues with GPS before, but I'm happy with how this turned out. So I promise I'll have the video for you guys soon, once weather permits. Should be tomorrow. But as far as the VTX goes on this guy, yeah, it's pretty solid. And we're gonna go really find out the strength or the weaknesses when I get a chance to go fly this mid to long range. So check it out on the next Ghost.
All right, guys, so we're at our spot. We got our satellite lock here. We're in Alton Towers Park here in Scarborough. I've got the quad set up right here. We've got our at least 6 satellite locks right now. It took about 4 or 5 minutes and we got the satellite lock, so now we can take off. We got Tony on the bench right there.
Yeah.
And he's gonna be supervising me and filming.
You know what I mean? Filming for today, you know what I mean?
All right, brother.
Popping.
Yeah, brother.
Push it to the limit. Walk along a razor's edge. But don't look down, just keep your head or you'll be finished. Open up the limit. Past the point of no return. Reach the top, but still you gotta learn how to keep it. Hit the wheel and double the stakes. Throttle wide open like a bat out of hell. You crash the gates. Going for the back of beyond. Nothing gonna stop you. There's nothing that strong. So close now, you're nearly at the brink. So push it. Ooh, yeah. Welcome to the limit. Take it maybe one step more. Power game still playing, so you better win it. Push it to the limit. No one left to stand in your way. You might get careless, but you'll never be safe while you're still living.
Okay, I'm in. So yeah, that was a pretty good 7-inch test. The best thing that came out of that was the auto return home, the GPS return home. It actually works. Unfortunately, I didn't hit the record button on my headset. Hopefully my GoPro or cam got it. But having the confidence knowing that it works, you know what this means now. I could push this to the moon and just hit that button and it'll always come back. Thanks Dave Bardwell for the instructions for that. Got it off your channel. Great teaching. So if you're interested in know how to get it to working, watch Bardwell's channel. He has a great tutorial on that. But yeah, got the shit working. So that means I'm going to be able to push it to the limit.